your mind with a lot of positivity. But it goes a little step further than that. We talk about your mind right, getting your mind right, but man, you got to be hungry. If you want to be successful in anything, you got to be hungry for it. You got to be passionate about it. You know what I mean?
When I got into real estate, I was able to position myself to be able to find a home over there for a good deal, work it out with my real estate knowledge, and be able to buy a home that I, in the area that I always dreamed of, owning a home in. I've been able to, the fancy cars, plenty of cash, plenty of good times, with the money. You know what I'm saying? We can't go into that type of details, you know what I'm saying, right now. But
What up? It's DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach Anthony Legins and Coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right? Salute. What up? It's DJ Envy. Now, shout out to Real Estate Heat TV. They got the hottest new real estate channel. Shout out to my man, real estate coach Anthony Legins and Coach Armond Wright. They bring the heat with the latest strategies and techniques to take you to the next level. So make sure you subscribe now, right? Salute.
Hey, welcome to another episode of How to Buy the Hood. I'm your host, Coach Anthony Legins, and I am so excited tonight to have one and only Miss Asia Denson, owner of the Denson Construction Services LLC, construction with a woman's touch.
I look at it like this: if out of state and out of the country people are buying Detroit, why we not? And we live here. Like that was my first thing. Like Detroit is a black ass city. Like Detroit is probably 80-90% black.
Right,
Roughly. But we not 80-90% owners.
There it is.
You know what I'm saying? Most of the people who own houses in Detroit do not look like us. And it wasn't always like that. I know a lot of people who have jobs and they still invest and do stuff too. It's just a balance. So you don't have to. I unfortunately didn't work while I was investing because I got laid off. So I ain't had no damn choice. So, but for me, it was a blessing in disguise because I don't think I would have bust my ass as hard because when you broken your back against the wall, it ain't nowhere else to go but so it's so we doing this on YouTube live every third Thursdays. It's called What Up Though Fridays because we from Detroit, of course. What Up Though, and Friday is like the kickback day in the city. So it's me, Marcus Twyman, Emma Elder. She owns.
Man, get with Miss Denson here, Asia Denson Construction Services. Check out her YouTube page. Subscribe. Get with her. I'm Coach Anthony Legins. This is How to Buy the Hood, and we out.
Penny store and then resell it in the hood. So
I used to do
that's the same thing. Ain't no different from wholesaling the house.
Right. Yeah, I used to do that too. I used to buy the packs of annihilators and break them down and sell single
annihilators. Right. I did the same thing. Yeah.
Well, tell me a little bit about your business model, or should I say maybe your most successful business model in real estate.
Well, I still do my own personal deals when I feel like it. I'm going to be perfectly honest. When I feel like doing a deal, I do one. It's not a mandatory thing with me now because I'm up in age and I'm settled. My focus right now is education. I come from a family of nurses and teachers. So I chose nursing. However, I'm good at teaching people how to do stuff. So my focus now is educating and empowering the African-American community on what real estate investing involves. It's not what you see on HGTV.
Welcome to Real Estate Heat TV. This is Anthony Legins, Real Estate Coach and Mentor. Today, I'm bringing you my good friend and real estate investor, Mr. Joel McNair. He is a local real estate investor. He has 2 local real estate investment companies. He's a musical genius, in my opinion. He makes some great music, folks. You probably gonna want to definitely check him out. But go ahead, Joel. Go on and introduce yourself, my brother.
Hello, everyone. I just want to thank Anthony Legins for allowing me to speak on this program, the Heat TV, and
Heat,
let you guys, Real Estate Heat. That's what's up. Yep.